It's a 2010 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: auxiliary audio input, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. Consumer Guide explains that lots of standard safety and convenience features and Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value further bolster its appeal and cements its reputation as a good buy in its class. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.